Hello watch people, we are back. I'm Nelson. Today we are going to unbox Seiko 5 Sport Automatic Watch SRP517K1. This watch was produced in 2015. I think now it's already discontinued. I'm very sure that many of us have owned Seiko 5. Do you know that the 5 stand for something? 5 is in reference to 5 base qualities that Seiko 5 offer. That include automatic winding, day and date in a single window, water resistant, a protected crown, and a durable case and bracelet. A recipe for excellent and reliable sport watch. They are not expensive or flashy, but the value statement is pure Seiko and offer a foundation building for any value-hungry buyers or collectors. 42 mm diameter, water resistant 100 meter, silver dial with black accent, luminous pen and marker, lug-to-lug is 51 mm. The movement is legendary Seiko 4R36. The left width is 22 mm. This watch have excellent readability. Mineral crystal. The total weight is 160 grams. Let's try on. The thickness is 12 mm. My wrist is 6.5 inch. I still can carry out this watch. I think this is a watch for bigger wrists. I think minimum is 6.5 and above, because the lug-to-lug is 51. It's a very good looking watch. I love the dial, very simple and sporty. As usual, all Seiko 5 is reliable and value for money. You just can't go wrong with Seiko 5. So please like and subscribe. Thank you.